Megan, you're next!
Just stay away from me!
Megan!
Teka lang. What was that? Listen, bitch! Is she trying to say alright? Look at this fucking crazy!
I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end.
Cheapers! Freddy! Saan ka galing?
May nakita ako.
Jinkies! May nakita ako manikang gumagalaw!
Yes, ako rin. Zoinks, ako rin. May nakita akong robot na manika and hindi ko na mahanap sa school.
Well, buti nga sa inyo, isa lang yung nakita nyo. Ako dalawa! May madre at white lady pa! Something's definitely wrong in this hotel.
Well, gang, looks like we have another mystery on our hands. Let's split up and look for clues.
Okay, sure. And we need to find Scooby.
Okay, Daphne, you go with Velma. Kayo na bahala maghanap ng clues. Shaggy and I will go in separate ways para mahanap ng si Scoob agad. Wait, what? Separate ways? No way, man! Guys, teka lang! Guys! Hello? Scooby-Doo! Where are you? Zoinks!
Jinkies! Patay. What's this? Ba't may kultong nagaganap dito? Wait. Sino to?
Miss me?
Megan?
You should probably run. I am going to get you.
Want a rematch?
Hold on to your vaginas.
Hello, Fred? Hello! Baby Saja! Nasaan ka ngayon?
I'm in sauna right now. Bakit?
What? No! Kailangan mong umalis dyan! Ngayon din!
Ha? Ano? Wait, ano?
Hello? Hello? Uni, kailangan nating umalis. Kailangan nating puntahan si Baby Saja. Halika na!
What's that smell? Jinkies!
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!